Hi, English 102 students. My name is Jackie, and I'm the library director here at Walla Walla Community College. I know I'm going to be seeing you next week, along with two of our other great librarians here, Lou Williams and Jen Stutzman. And I just want to introduce the activity we want you to do before we meet next week. We really want to kind of get your thoughts going about kind of the value of research and your experience with research, because that's what we're going to be digging into a little bit more on Thursday when we meet, specifically at that time to talk about strategies to help you with your research paper in English 102. So what you'll see here is we have selected a couple of videos for you to choose. You just need to choose one, but people like different things, so just choose one. Watch them, and we have 3 question prompts for you to really think about. And I'll just outline them here. You'll see them written out. What are some research roadblocks you've encountered? How do you think you'll use research in both your personal life, your professional life, and maybe what are other thoughts that you've experienced about the time you use research to solve a problem. So watch one of those videos, think about those things, post your response to our discussion board, and then also we're asking you respond to one other classmate and share with them your thoughts and share your thoughts based on what they've written. This is terrible. Hi, English 102 students. My name is Jackie, and I'm the library director here at Walla Walla Community College. I'm going to be seeing you next week along with 2 of my great librarian colleagues here, Lou Williams and Jen Stutzman. And we're coming to your class next week to really speak specifically about the research you're doing right now for English 102 and looking at sources to help you become successful with that part of your paper. But we have a pre-work thing that we're asking you to do. We've selected a few videos, and we're asking you to choose one, just one. There are a couple different topics. We want you to find the one that's the most interesting to you. And we have a couple question prompts that we're hoping that you can respond to, post in your Canvas discussion board, and respond to at least one of your classmates. Our questions you'll see listed in our prompt are really kind of around what do you value within research? What kind of research challenges have you faced as a researcher? And where do you see research playing a role in both your professional, your personal life outside of school? So getting thinking about that and in response to the videos. So yes, so select a video, look at the question prompts, post the discussion board, and answer one of your other classmates' thoughts on the same questions. And when we meet in class next Thursday, we'll connect you with them. We'll dig into your research assignment and hopefully help you solve some of your research quandaries that you might be facing. In the meantime, please always come see us. If you've been in the library, you might see our row of offices right there against the windows. You can always reach us online, and really at any time we can connect with you. I do email all the time with people if that's convenient, so we're happy to do that. So anyway, looking forward to seeing you next week. If you have any questions, our contact information is right here in Canvas. It's also on the library website. So, all right, take care. Thanks.